In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a sprint in Jira. We'll walk through the steps you need to take to ensure that your sprint comes to a close smoothly. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Jira account. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. This is your launching point to access all the projects and tools you need. After you've settled into your dashboard, the next step is to navigate to your spaces or project areas. You'll typically find this option located in the sidebar or the main navigation menu, depending on how your Jira is configured. Clicking there will transport you to a list of projects or spaces that you are a part of. Now, take a moment to scroll through your available projects or spaces. It's important that you choose the correct one, as there might be several with similar names. Once you've found your project, simply click on it to open it up. Within your project, one of the key areas you'll need to focus on is the backlog. When you hover over or click the project, look for the backlog link. It's usually prominently displayed in your project menu. By clicking on the backlog, you are entering the space where all open tasks, stories, and this current sprint reside. Once within the backlog, you'll notice the active sprint, which lists all tasks that your team is working on. As you're ready to close the sprint, you'll see an option to complete sprint. This button or link is your next destination. Clicking on Complete Sprint brings up a summary of the sprint's accomplishments. Here you can verify which tasks have been completed and assess any remaining ones, providing reassurance that everything is recorded correctly. Keep in mind that closing a sprint is a significant action as it wraps up the current cycle and moves or archives the tasks as necessary. By doing so, it enables your team to focus on new objectives and start the next sprint fresh. Lastly, to ensure that everything was closed properly, it's a great idea to head back to your boards. Here you can double check that everything looks right and nothing was left hanging. Review the completed tasks and get a sense of what's been pushed to the backlog or future sprints. By following these steps, you've successfully closed a sprint in Jira. Make sure you take the time to celebrate the team's accomplishments and prepare for the next sprint planning session. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more of our content for further Jira insights.